Welcome to the lecture series of Mechanics of Solids. In today's lecture, we will see more examples based on support reaction of beams. So let us start with it. So here is the example given to us. A beam is given which is having two support A and B. The beam is overhanging on both the sides. On left side there is overhanging portion of 3 meter and it is subjected to UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter, and on right side there is a overhanging portion of 2 meter which is having 20 kilonewton point load at the end. In the simply supported portion, a point load of 30 kilonewton is acting at 3 meter from support B. So in this case we have to work out reaction VA and VB. So let us try to solve the problem. So to find the solution, first of all we apply the condition of equilibrium. Summation of all vertical force is 0 and the sign convection is upward positive. So let us start. The UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter for 3 meter distance. So it will be 10 into 3. As it is acting in downward direction, its sign will be negative. After that, there is a support reaction VA which is acting in vertically upward direction. So it will be plus VA. Moving ahead, a point load of 30 kilonewton in downward direction. So it will be minus 30. At support B, vertical reaction VB is there which is acting in upward. So it will be positive plus VB. And lastly, a point load of 20 kilonewton acting in vertically downward direction. So it will be minus 20 and the summation is 0. So now let us simplify it. It will be minus 30 plus VA, again minus 30 plus VB and minus 20 is equal to 0. So here we can write VA plus VB, that is equal to 80 kilonewton. So this will be equation 1 for us. Apply the third condition of equilibrium, that is summation of moment about any point on beam, that is equal to 0. Here we will take moment about point A and sign convection is, we will take clockwise positive. So now let us take the moment about the point A. So start with this UDL, it is acting in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction is negative, so we'll put negative sign here. Force is 10 into 3, that is 30. So here we will write 10 into 3. This is the force component. So here I will write force, and we assume that UDL is acting, it is concentrated at its centroid. So the distance between line of action of UDL and A is half of this distance, that is 1.5. So into distance, that is 1.5, this is distance component. Now VA could not create any moment at point A, so it will be 0. Moment due to 30 kilonewton force, it will be in clockwise direction, so put positive sign. Force is 30 kilonewton, so it is 30 and the distance between line of action of 30 and point A is 4 meter, as we can see, so multiply with 4. Now moment due to VB, it will be in anti-clockwise direction. First we have to see the direction. This is anti-clockwise direction, so it will be minus, force is VB and the distance between VB and A, that is equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So I will put 7 here. Now moment due to 20 kilonewton, we can see it is in clockwise direction, so it will be plus force is 20 and the distance between 20 and A. So we can see 4 plus 3 plus 2. So it is total 9. And finally the summation will be 0. So let us simplify it. So simplifying in calculating the value of VB, we have got VB that is equal to 49.29 kilonewton. Now equate this value of VB in equation 1 to get VA. So equating in equation 1 and simplifying, we have got VA that is equal to 30.71 kilonewton. So write this value of reactions in our figure. So this way we can solve the problem of reaction of beam. So here I am giving a similar problem. You have to solve this problem and write your answer in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, please write in comment box. I will be happy to help you. Thank you. Thank you very much.